Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of it's not working on your device on Pixiv. You will click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. You will search for Pixiv as you see and you will click here. You will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching.